Hello everyone, I'm Daisy from Hikvision. Right now I'm standing at the entrance and exit of a bustling industrial park. Every day, workers, visitors, and various types of vehicles keep entering and exiting this industrial park from here. Without efficient management, queues may easily build up, especially during the rush hours. Conventional video security system usually employs several cameras, making the system complex to manage and maintain. Secondly, security video is mainly used to retrieve evidence only after an event occurs, while ways of facilitate immediately actions are often missing. So, how does Hikvision help users overcome such challenges? Here's how: the TandemVu PTZ. First, you only need one TandemVu PTZ to cover the entire entrance and exit area, significantly reducing deployment and management time and costs. Second, while the camera's bullet lens keeps the big picture, it triggers the PTZ lens to zoom in on the detail of an event and alert the security personnel with the captured picture of the scene, greatly increasing the management efficiency at the entrance and exit. See, the TandemVu PTZ is a perfect solution for monitoring the entrance and exit of an industrial park. If you want to know more about the TandemVu PTZ, please visit hikvision.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.